In some appropriate units, time t and position x, relation of a moving particle is given as t is equal to x square plus x. The acceleration of the particle is t is equal to x square plus x, or x square plus x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t, 2x dx by dt plus dx by dt is equal to 1, or dx by dt common, 2x plus 1 is equal to 1, or dx by dt 1 by 2x plus 1, and this is v, velocity, 2x plus 1 की पावर माइनस। एक्सेलरेशन के लिए अगेन डिफ्रेंशिएशन करेंगे, dv by dt -1 2x plus 1 minus 2 into 2 dx by dt plus 0, -2 2x plus 1 की पावर -2 into dx by dt, and dx by dt is v, -2 x plus 1 की पावर -2 into v, or -2 x plus 2x plus 1 की पावर -2, and v is 2x plus 1 की पावर -1, -2 2x plus 1 की पावर -3, और -2 2x plus 1 की पावर 3. This is acceleration, and B is correct option. Next, two cities X and Y are connected by a regular bus service with a bus leaving in either direction every 10 minutes. A girl is driving a scooty with a speed of 60 km per hour in the direction X to Y. Notices that bus goes past for every 30 minutes in direction of her motion and every 10 minutes in opposite direction. Choose the correct options for the period t of the bus service and speed assumed constant of the buses. First, अगर हम कंडीशन देखें, buses goes in the same direction as the girl goes. Suppose the buses हैं, this is bus Q, and they are moving left to right. The speed of girl Vg is 60 km per hour, or this is 1 km per minute, and the speed of bus is assumed Vb km per minute. The distance between two buses will be d Vb into t. Suppose at a particular time this bus P is in front of the girl. This is girl. In 30 minutes, girl है. In 30 minutes ये पोजीशन है गर्ल की, सपोज A पॉइंट पर. Girl in 30 minutes goes to point B. This is B. In 30 minutes. तो गर्ल मूव करेगी 30 मिनट में 30 into Vg, 30 into 1, 30 किलोमीटर. बस नंबर क्यू, सपोज 30 मिनट्स में बस नंबर क्यू विल आल्सो बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ गर्ल। यहाँ पर ये क्यू बस यहाँ पर आ जाती है क्यू। Distance between P and Q is D. Total distance moved by Q bus in 30 minutes will be VB into 30. तो D की वैल्यू होगी दिस इज VB into 30 एंड यहाँ से यहाँ तक दिस इज 30। तो D विल बी VB into 30 minus 30, इक्वेशन नंबर 1। सेकेंड कंडीशन, बस राइट टू लेफ्ट मूव कर रही हैं, सपोज एट ए पर्टिकुलर टाइम गर्ल इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ, दिस इज सपोज P1 bus, Q1 and so on. Girl is moving left to right. In 10 minutes, suppose girl की position is A dash, in 10 minutes में girl move B dash. This is distance moved by the girl and that is 10 into 1, 10 किलोमीटर। और 10 मिनट बाद P बस विल बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ, P1 बस विल बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ द गर्ल, दिस इज P। इस 10 मिनट में P1 बस मूव करेगी VB into 10 and this total distance is equal to D. So D will be equal to 10 plus VB into 10, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, VB into 30 minus 30 is equal to 10 plus VB into 10, और 30 VB minus 10 VB will be 10 plus 30, और 20 VB is equal to 40, VB is 40 by 20, 2 किलोमीटर पर मिनट, और इसको लिख सकते हैं 2 into 60, 120 किलोमीटर पर आवर। From equation 2, D is 10 plus VB into 10, VB की वैल्यू पुट कर दी हमने 2 into 10 is equal to 30 किलोमीटर। जो डिस्टेंस है बिटवीन टू बसेज इज 30 किलोमीटर एंड D is equal to VB into T। तो 30 is equal to VB, 2 into T, T is equal to 30 by 2, 15 मिनट। T t की वैल्यू 15 मिनट एंड स्पीड ऑफ बस इज़ 120 km/h, hence D is correct option.